Arabic and Persian, they have a long history of exchanges that extends beyond Arabic Peninsula and Iran, coming down to Indian subcontinent. This long history of exchanges has resulted in civilizational consilience, that is intellectually expressed through terms like Arabicate, which was given by Ricky, Persianate, given by Hodgson, and it extends even beyond that to include Urdu sphere, given by Niall Green. This conference explores the exchanges that have taken place, the consequential results that have occurred on account of these exchanges at different spheres of languages and beyond the languages. As a result, the conference takes into its ambit several themes, and we have a number of scholars across the world and within participating in this conference. I'm very happy to inform you that the term Urdu sphere that was given by Niall Green himself is a keynote speaker of this conference. We have a number of great scholars of Persian, Arabic, linguistics, and culture studies participating in this conference. It's a great moment and it's a great feat to enjoy at the intellectual level.